How to fix Wise login problem. If you wish to fix the login issue on Wise, open your browser and go to wise.com. And once you've done that, go to the login option from the top right hand side of the screen. If you're not being able to log in using your provided email address as well as also your password, then chances are that you could have entered an incorrect credential. Ensure that your email address is correct and that your password is also correct. In case you don't know what password you're typing in, you can click on this I button on the right hand side to reveal your password and click the login button. If you forgot your password, click on Trouble Logging In and it will get you the option to reset your password if you forgot your password, or if you want to change your mobile number or change your email address or logging in on a new device, or if your account was deactivated, you could select this particular option. Otherwise, you could proceed with the login. If you previously linked your Wise account with Google, Facebook or Apple, you could also log in using those credentials. That way you can fix login problem on Wise. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.